Arroz con Pollo Chapina. Guatemala-style chicken and rice. A side dish from Guatemala. You will need 16
Serve
ingredients.
6.
Step 1. In a large skillet, brown the chicken in the oil over medium heat for 20 minutes. Sprinkle with half teaspoon salt and the black pepper. Step 2. Remove the chicken and set aside. Step 3. In the same skillet with the chicken fat, fry the onion, garlic and tomato for 2 minutes. Add the rice and fry for 2 minutes more. Add the carrots, olives and capers and mix everything together. Step 4. Pour in the broth and chicken pieces. Bring to a boil, reduce heat to low, cover skillet and simmer until broth has been absorbed, about 10 minutes. Add the green peas. Step 5. Cover skillet with aluminum foil and punch 8 holes in the top to allow steam to escape. Step 6. Bake in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. Fluff up the mixture once or twice during the baking time. Step 7. Serve warm. Decorate the surface with the pimiento strips and egg slices and sprinkle with the cheese. The rice should be dry, loose and not sticky. Serve with fried ripe plantain slices, CountryReports, a salsa picante, culture, and pickled countries, vegetables. Travel.